Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we have the garage door. Something happened, it's not working. I think it was hit by a basketball. So I've tried to open it a few times and it's not working. So let's see. You can hear the connections. I think they're okay. You can see that moving, but the door is not opening. I need to figure out what happened, where and when. And I tried to think about calling out for service, but I don't think I need to. So I would try first I did some research. Probably this thing is disengaged, so we'll try that first, and then probably the lock nuts are not engaged at the top. So let me try that. Hopefully we wouldn't need to call for service. So yeah, I'm gonna get something here. I do not have a ladder near me. So I press the garage door opener again to move the lock nuts towards that side over there, so I can be able to engage this thing. So I think this tab is loose. This distance doesn't look normal. It's normally, I think there's normally like a small, there's no space probably in between. So I'll try and open these two bolts up, and then with that see if I might be able to fix it in one way or another. Just open these two things up. So yeah, I think it clicked back inside, and then I'll just try and lock it for now. When I loosened it a bit, this thing just went up and I had a click sound. So I'm hoping that solved it. So we'll just tighten it up. I think it's tight enough now, and then I'll try to engage it by pushing it towards the door. Now it's engaged, and then I'll manually open the door to the lock on the other side. So let's see. Let's open the door manually. As I open it, I'm gonna hope it gets inside this thing and just locks itself. So let's see. I have to do it by hand. So it's closer there. So that's where we want it engaged. And I think it's locked right now. So let's just close it and hope for the best. Just go back here, press the garage door. And I'm gonna open it. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, watch the other videos, and as always, see you on the next one. Leave a comment there and please subscribe to the channel. Ciao guys.